For the very, very first time, Fikile Mbalula admits that Julius Malema is powerful. He says it categorically that the power that Julius possesses can change the political landscape of South Africa. Listen to what he says as he explains how Julius Malema's decisions can affect the ANC.
We have been promised here that John will become the president of the country. That is possible. Because you must not think that is empty rhetoric. They did it. Right from the inception when we lost power, the EFF voted with the DA. But the leader today is a great revolutionary, a friend of Traore, you know, from Burkina Faso. A great revolutionary, Julius Malema. He says that he doesn't want the DA and EFF and Freedom Front Plus, but when it's convenient for him, he votes with them. And when I engaged him and he said I must go and talk that nonsense far away from him. from the onset, I said, but you know, revolution and this ideology, DA says, go and talk that nonsense far away from me. We will vote with the DA. In doing what? To punish the ANC. And you don't ask a question. What is the beef with the ANC? That is God. We don't have a beef with the EFF. We are not at war with them. We understand them perfectly as an opposition. EFF is not an enemy. Is an opponent of the ANC.